Welcome back to Tech Vibe, where we dive into the latest innovations shaping the world of technology. Today, we're exploring one of the most talked about compact PCs of the year, the ROG NUC 2025. This machine promises desktop-level gaming and creative power in a package so small you can carry it around in one hand. But is this just another flashy gadget, or is it truly a beast in disguise? Stay with me, because this one is going to surprise you. At first glance, the ROG NUC 2025 doesn't even look like it should be able to handle high-performance tasks. It's incredibly compact, almost like a sleek console, but once you peek under the hood, the specifications tell a completely different story. ASUS has packed in Intel's latest Meteor Lake processors with options scaling all the way to Core Ultra 9, giving you efficiency cores, performance cores, and AI acceleration built right in. Pair that with up to an NVIDIA RTX 5070 GPU in the higher-end models and you realize this tiny box isn't playing around. You also get support for DDR5 RAM with configurations up to 64 GB, and lightning-fast PCIe Gen 5 storage options. Essentially, this is laptop-like portability fused with desktop-like power. The design and build quality reflect ASUS's ROG DNA, sharp lines, premium materials, and subtle RGB accents that scream gaming without overdoing it. The chassis is surprisingly sturdy for its size, with metal panels and smart vent placements to keep thermals under control. ASUS has also introduced a clever modular approach, allowing for easier upgrades than most small form factor PCs. For enthusiasts who love tinkering, this alone makes it stand out from the competition. The compact design means it fits anywhere: your gaming desk, a small office corner, or even as a portable rig to carry for LAN parties. If you've ever wished you could take a full gaming PC with you like a console, this feels like the closest you'll get. When you turn on the ROG NUC 2025, the display experience it can power is another reason it shines. Thanks to the GPU and HDMI 2.1 plus DisplayPort 2.1 support, you can push 4K at high refresh rates, ultra-wide monitors, or even dual 8K displays if you're in the creative space. Imagine editing 8K videos on a device that's smaller than some external hard drives or running AAA games in buttery smooth detail. The visual output feels future-ready, and ASUS has ensured that it will remain relevant for years to come. Performance is the area where everyone wonders, can something this small really deliver? In benchmarks and real-world tests, the ROG NUC 2025 performs on par with some full-size desktops. Thanks to Intel's hybrid architecture in the Meteor Lake chips and NVIDIA's latest graphics, you get excellent multitasking. Rendering videos in Adobe Premiere Pro, working on 3D models in Blender, or coding large projects, this little box doesn't flinch. Gaming performance is even more surprising. Titles like Cyberpunk 2077, Starfield, and Horizon Forbidden West run smoothly at high settings in 1440p and even 4K, depending on your configuration. What's impressive is that the system manages to do this while staying relatively quiet, thanks to ASUS's advanced cooling solution. Now, let's talk software and features, because this is where ASUS adds value beyond raw specs. Out of the box, you get Windows 11 optimized for hybrid and AI tasks, but ASUS's Armoury Crate software takes customization to another level. You can tweak performance profiles, monitor temps, adjust fan curves, and control RGB lighting with ease. The NUC also supports AI-powered features like real-time upscaling in creative apps and smoother AI-driven frame generation in gaming, courtesy of both the Intel cores and NVIDIA's DLSS. For content creators, features like AI noise cancellation for streaming and hardware-accelerated media encoders make a huge difference. Battery life doesn't really apply here since it's a desktop-class device, but power efficiency does matter. With the Meteor Lake chips being built on Intel's 7nm process and optimized for AI, you're getting much better power-to-performance ratios compared to last gen. This means even under heavy load, the ROG NUC 2025 is less power-hungry than a full gaming desktop while still delivering comparable results. For people who care about performance without running up their electricity bill, this is a big win. Gaming and creative performance deserve their own spotlight because that's where this system excels. In gaming, ray tracing on supported titles looks fantastic, and frame rates stay consistently high even when pushing demanding graphics. VR also runs flawlessly, which is impressive for such a small machine. For creatives, working on DaVinci Resolve or Unreal Engine projects feels smooth, with render times shortened significantly compared to last-gen compact PCs. If you're a content creator who travels often but doesn't want to compromise on performance, the ROG NUC 2025 might just be the best balance between portability and raw power. Speakers and audio may not be the biggest selling point, but Asus didn't overlook it. You get high-quality audio output with support for Dolby Atmos and high-res audio, making it a great hub for music production or just immersive gaming when paired with a good headset or external speakers. There's also a surprisingly decent built-in audio DAC for those who want cleaner sound without investing in external gear. Connectivity is another strong suit. On the back and sides, you'll find multiple USB-C Thunderbolt 4 and USB 4 ports, HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort, 2.5G Ethernet, and plenty of USB-A ports for peripherals. Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 ensure you're future-proofed for wireless connectivity, and external GPU support via Thunderbolt means you can even extend its lifespan down the road. For a device this small, Asus made sure you don't feel limited in terms of connections. When it comes to price and value, the ROG NUC 2025 is not the cheapest option on the market. Starting prices hover around $1,200 for the base model and can climb to $2,000 plus for higher configurations with RTX 5070 GPUs. However, if you consider what you're getting, a device that rivals desktops, is smaller than most consoles, and offers upgrade paths, the value proposition makes sense. It's aimed at gamers, creators, and professionals who want a high-performance machine without the bulk of a full tower. Of course, no device is perfect, and there are pros and cons worth considering. On the pro side, you have outstanding performance in a tiny form factor, support for the latest Intel and NVIDIA technologies, excellent connectivity, and a sleek ROG design. It's also surprisingly upgrade-friendly compared to other compact PCs. On the con side, pricing is steep, and the top configurations could easily make you question whether building a traditional desktop might give you more raw power for the money. Cooling, while efficient, still means the system can get warm under extended load, and some enthusiasts might feel limited by GPU options compared to full desktops. In the final verdict, the ROG NUC 2025 is a bold step forward in compact computing. It proves that you don't need a bulky tower to enjoy desktop-class gaming and creative power. For gamers, creators, and professionals who value both portability and performance, this could be one of the best investments of the year. It's not designed to replace every desktop out there, but for those who want cutting-edge power in a space-saving package, the ROG NUC 2025 makes a compelling case. And that's our deep dive into the ROG NUC 2025. If you're considering a new PC and want something that blends power, portability, and futuristic design, this might just be the device you've been waiting for. Thanks for watching Tech Vibe, where we bring you the best insights into the tech world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more authentic reviews. See you in the next one.